What are you doing, Andy? Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of m5hu151. You guessed it, another Hummer. This is a 2005 Hummer H2 in white. Andy here's gonna put a box on it and we're gonna take a look at the mileage, fire it up, do a nice little walk around and, you know, do some Hummer type things. All right, well.
Do not try to put it in here.
Where's the key? Here's the key. Yes, so this is the key for the Hummer. Change engine oil. We know. Leave us alone. 191,761 miles on the LQ4 up here. Does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. It is running well. We are going to be selling this as a swap. Motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU harness, and throttle pedal. This is an LQ4 6-liter V8. As you guys can hear, it is running nice and smooth. We'll rev it up here in just a minute. Truck does have an aftermarket cold air intake on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hood down on this though. Let me shut that off, or remove that, you know what I meant. Good from afar, but far from good. All right. Nice hood on this girl, brush guard, front bumper, all the usual Hummer parts. You need it, we got it. Cal vent panel assembly.
The hood is not that nice.
The hood, well, it's nice enough.
It definitely got listed, but someone's gonna have to do some work.
I bet you if you need a Hummer hood, this one's nicer, Andy. Therefore, it is the nicest. Passenger door mirror. This is obviously what happened here. Things. I hope I'm making you guys all motion sick. Something wrong in this area. Very nice ebony interior. Door panels are not broken. These are very, very valuable. A little bit of wear on the seats here. As Andy said earlier, we're not going to be able to test out the transmission. It's got a Bluetooth steering assembly up front here. Ultra rare. These seats are going to come with the DVD headrest and the player. We could not get it to work, but we just want to go ahead and include those with them. Remotes. Something's up with it all. Oh, that's AT&T. Yeah. Maybe they had a cable box in here. Here is the black leather second row seat. Right rear door panel. Looks like the tube steps did make it. We're going to get those pulled off and we'll check them out. Nice upgraded taillight set. If you guys have an 03, 04, this gets rid of that nasty amber right here that Uncle Sam makes you have. Nice trailer hitch on it as well. We're going to get that ripped off and powder coated. Kind of one of our specialties around here. Driver's side rock rail. Looks like it made it as well. Maybe we'll powder coat those and make you guys take out a third mortgage on your house to afford them. Because if you drive a Hummer, the rock rails are like 9/10 of the value of the vehicle. I think a pair of those cost like half of what a truck does. Yeah, if you've got a Hummer H2, take your rock rails off, sell your driver left front door panel, and pay off the note on that thing. Or just let the bank come and take it because there's no value afterwards. Nice set of roof racks. We do not have the keys for them. Step inside here. The cluster is not doing too hot. Service to four-wheel drive, you don't say. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, let's take a listen to that motor. Sounds good to me. I'm guessing the radio is not, yeah, no bueno. Nice climate control assembly. Oh, I gotta test winders. Windshield wiper motor, wipes. Oh man, we might have a complete H2 sunroof assembly.
Huh?
That's a complete sunroof assembly. We'll have to change that.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to change that.
That's like the only one you do it to. Yeah, these are worth their weight in gold when they work.
and it works very well.
Oh, window switch is no good. You gotta push really hard.
Really?
Yeah.
It worked fine for me.
Maybe I'm just weak.
This is why we retest them in the videos.
Driver's window switch may be questionable. If you're watching this and the left front doesn't go down, push a little harder.
This one does work, but the door is pinched.
Stop. Window time. That side works. We got left. We got right. Where's our emergency button? Oh no! Nice black leather armrest lid. Shifter assembly is not broken. We're going to be selling that cup holder insert. We'll bust out all of these dash pieces, get them listed for sale. That upper dash pad is in good shape too. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to test out any more of the drivetrain due to the incident up front there. It's all-wheel drive. It's not going to work. If you guys are looking for any parts off this truck, though, I almost called it a car. What are you doing, Andy?
I don't think it's got cats, because that thing freaking stinks.
Well, now you know what it's like being me sitting over there all day smelling it. If you guys are looking for any parts off this Hummer, I'll leave a link down below to our website, www.jngautowrecking.com, where you guys can view our entire inventory online 24/7. If you're during business hours, Eastern Standard Time, we do have a live chat feature. Get you right over to our sales folk over there. Best in the business. They'll get you guys anything you need off of this thing. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, though. That is going to conclude the test video of m5hu151. I already said my spiel. Like, comment, share, subscribe so we can continue to make great content for you guys. Thanks for watching, folks.